Okay, every time there's conflict in and around Israel, many of us see it as the sign quickly approaching end times. So, welcome guys to my channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe and share with your fellow beings. So, let's try to learn from biblical perspective the war in Israel. So, let's see. The problem with this is that we may eventually drain off the conflict in Israel so that we will not recognize when true prophetically significant events occur. The conflict in Israel is not necessarily the end sign of the end time. So the conflict in Israel has been a reality since Israel happened as a nation. So these are the people and nation. So the nation of Israel has always been persecuted by its neighbor. Okay, why is this? When you are chosen people or nation of God, let's see, according to the Bible, it is because God has special plan for the nation of Israel, and Shaitan or devil wants to defeat that plan, influenced by devil hatred of Israel, and especially Israel's God is the reason why Israel's neighbor have always wanted to destroy Israel. So whether they are as listed, attempt to completely destroy Israel will always fail. Okay, the persecutors of Israel will come and go, but the persecution will remain until the second coming of Christ. As a result, the conflict in Israel is not a reliable source of the soon arrival of end time. So, however, the Bible does say that there will be terrible conflicts in Israel during the end times. That's why the time period is known as tribulation or the great tribulation and the time of Jacob's trouble. Jeremiah chapter 13 verse 7. Here is what the Bible says about Israel in end times. Okay, here are a few points which we need to know about Israel in end times. So let's see, first point. There will be a mass return of Jewish to the land of Israel. We see in Josiah chapter 43 verse 6, Ezekiel chapter 34 verse 11 to 13. So let's see, second point. The Antichrist will make out 7-year covenant of peace with Israel. Josiah chapter 28 verse 18, Daniel chapter 9:27. So the third point, the temple will be rebuilt in Jerusalem. Daniel chapter 9 verse 27, Matthew chapter 24 verse 15. So the fourth point, the Antichrist will break his covenant with Israel, and worldwide persecution of Israel will result, and Israel will be invaded. Ezekiel chapter 38 to 39. Okay, therefore, could what be taking place in Israel is indicates that the end is near? Maybe yes. Does it necessarily mean the end is near? Maybe no. As we see, Jesus himself said, watch out, no one deceives you. You will hear of war and rumors of war, but see to it that you are not alarmed. Such things must happen, but the end is still to come. We see in Matthew chapter 24 verse 4 to 6, and I hope you guys like this video. Please do subscribe and share with your fellow beings, and thank you for watching. Many more episodes are coming up.